Hi everybody, today we are unboxing and trying out this random orbital sander from DWALT. We need to sand our deck and we saw that this one was quite easy to manage because it's not too big. That's why we got it. And inside of the box there is not too many things that the machine comes with other than the bag where you can storage it and one piece that collects the dust. Now in order to use it we had to buy this type of sandpaper, which is a little more expensive because it's like a velcro thing, but the nice thing is that it's very easy to put it and remove it. Now using the machine was very simple. We love it because it was extremely fast and in that short period of time we were able to sand our entire deck. By the way, we had this machine for 3 years already and it's still working. We use it occasionally, but we haven't had any type of problems until now, so we really like it. And that's everything for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!